for 24 hours, and you can't bring any food. But you can bring drinks.
You want water?
I'm not. I'm gonna be dehydrated, but I'm gonna be having a good time.
Hey, you want this? What do you mean? Can't lose that. I already got one of those. Oh. Never mind.
Not that I don't have the utmost trust in my skill and Justin's skill, but just in case, might as well have a backup plan. Because I know Justin won't have one.
And some gumballs. Gumball? Well, I got my alcohol, I got my gumball. And that's all a man really needs in life. We came down here to the hotel, and they have a whole bunch of kayaks here that the tourists use. I feel like I'm taking the teacup ride at Disneyland.
You know, we figured that if it was raining, the last thing we wanted to do was sit under a grass canopy sipping a few drinks with other tourists. Instead, we decided to go find something else and something better. And that's the beauty of the Cook Islands is if you want it, it's there. You just have to go get it.
This is the southernmost island that you can get to in Aitutaki. Much like the last group of islands here, they're all uninhabited, so long paddle, but we made it.